In the small, bustling town of Revan, a young man named Aryan dreamed of a life far beyond the confines of his modest neighborhood. Born into a family of five, Aryan's father was a tailor who worked tirelessly to provide for them, while his mother managed the household. Aryan admired their hard work but longed to break free from the cycle of poverty. He wanted a life where his family didn't have to struggle to make ends meet. Though an average student in school, Aryan was curious by nature. While his peers played in the evenings, he would spend hours at the local library, devouring books on entrepreneurship, technology, and self-development. One day, while reading a book on financial success, Aryan came across a line that changed his life: learning is the first step to earning. The words struck a chord, igniting a fire in him. He realized that if he wanted to change his life, he had to start by investing in himself. However, Aryan faced a significant obstacle: money. His family's financial struggles meant he couldn't afford formal education or training. But Aryan was determined to find a way. One day, as he strolled through the marketplace, he noticed an internet cafe advertising hourly rates for computer use. Though he had never touched a computer before, he felt an overwhelming urge to explore the digital world. Using the little pocket money he had saved, Aryan began visiting the cafe after school. At first, he struggled to understand the basics, but his persistence paid off. He taught himself how to type and use search engines. Over time, he discovered the vast opportunities the internet offered, stumbling upon the world of freelancing. He learned that people could earn money by offering services like graphic design, writing, and web development. The idea excited him, but Aryan knew he needed skills to compete in this arena. With no mentor to guide him, Aryan relied on free resources like online tutorials and books borrowed from the library. He decided to focus on graphic design, spending months mastering the basics. His journey was far from smooth. His designs were initially clumsy, and he often doubted himself. But Aryan refused to give up. Slowly but surely, his skills improved. He started creating small designs for school projects and even offered his services to local businesses for free to gain experience. His first paid project came unexpectedly when a shop owner, impressed by Aryan's work for a school event, approached him to create a promotional flyer. Aryan charged a modest fee and poured his heart into the project. When the flyer turned out to be a success, word spread about his talent. Despite his initial success, Aryan faced criticism from those around him. Friends mocked him for spending so much time at the internet cafe, and some adults advised him to focus on finding a stable job. But Aryan remained resolute, driven by the belief that his efforts would pay off. One day, he came across a global freelancing competition requiring participants to submit a logo design. The winner would receive a cash prize and access to premium online courses. Aryan saw this as an opportunity to prove himself. For days, he worked tirelessly on his submission, often staying up late into the night. When the results were announced, Aryan was ecstatic to learn that he had won. The prize money was a blessing, but the real reward was access to professional courses that significantly enhanced his skills. With his newfound knowledge, Aryan started attracting international clients. His earnings, though modest at first, became consistent, allowing him to contribute to his family's expenses. This brought immense pride to his parents, who had once doubted the viability of his path. But Aryan didn't stop there. He realized that to succeed further, he needed to diversify his skills. He began learning digital marketing and web development, following a simple philosophy: the more I learn, the more I earn. As Aryan's skills grew, so did his ambition. He started mentoring other young people in his community, teaching them the basics of freelancing and digital skills. Inspired by his journey, many followed in his footsteps. Together, they formed a network of freelancers, pooling their talents to take on larger projects. Over time, Aryan saved enough money to open a small training center in Revan, offering free workshops on graphic design, digital marketing, and freelancing. His mission was to empower others to break free from poverty through learning and hard work. Aryan's efforts began to make waves. Local newspapers wrote about him, and he was invited to speak at schools and community events. He shared his mantra, "If you're willing to learn, you'll never stop earning." His training center grew into a full-fledged academy, offering courses in various fields. Many of Aryan's students went on to achieve great success, crediting him for the opportunities he had provided. Years later, Aryan stood on the stage of an international conference, sharing his story with an audience of thousands. From a boy who couldn't afford formal education to a self-made entrepreneur and mentor, Aryan had come a long way. As he concluded his speech, he left the audience with a powerful message: your circumstances don't define you, your determination does. Learn every day, and you'll earn not just money, but respect, confidence, and a sense of purpose. The world is full of opportunities, go out and grab them. Aryan's journey serves as a testament to the power of learning and perseverance. The moral of the story is, the key to success lies in continuous learning and hard work. By investing in knowledge and skills, you can transform your life, overcome challenges, and create opportunities for yourself and others.